Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy, a YouTube channel for GATE and ESE. This is your KP sir live on YouTube channel. Before going to start today's session, I would like to introduce myself, Krishna Prakash. Students love to call me EE sir. I was very much famous for environmental engineering. So students love to call me EE sir or KP sir. I have 16 years of teaching experience. Trained more than 150 batches for GATE, ESE and also state government AE A-level exams. And I am the ex-faculty of ACE Academy, now star educator in Unacademy and leading English teaching faculty of Civil Engineering Group. So I will take care everything regarding your scheduling, subjects. I will take care about your preparation. And in the Unacademy, I am going to teach the subjects environmental engineering, hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, construction materials and management. I am famous for simplifying the subjects, and I will provide you shortcut formulas which can be solved in the GATE exam in 1 minute or less than 1 minute time duration. And the vast and lengthy theoretical subjects, I will make it easy for you by providing tables, by providing flowcharts, some diagrammatic representation, so that huge theory easily understand for you. I am famous for monitoring, mentoring student preparation, best motivator. So, if you want, I will provide you best strategy according to your strengths and weakness. So, follow me in Unacademy and watch my free lectures. Check my profile KP Civil. Watch all free classes. If you want to take the subscription, join Unacademy with my code KP Civil. Anything related to your academics, your career, your subject related doubts, preparation related doubts, anything, contact me, WhatsApp me. My mobile number given there, 8985931112. And if you want to take full length course on Unacademy, use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru. Okay, let's begin the session. Now coming to the today's session. Guys, today I would like to give you the most important session for you, especially for GATE aspirants. What to prepare and what not to prepare. Subject-wise analysis based on previous year GATE question papers. Again, I am clearly saying, based on previous year GATE question papers, I am representing subject-wise analysis of GATE syllabus, what to prepare, what not to prepare. Subject-wise analysis of GATE papers based on previous GATE papers. What to prepare, what not to prepare. Our focus is what to study and what not for GATE. Subject-wise analysis give clear information for you regarding what to study and what not to study for GATE. For an average student who is having very less time for GATE examination and those who want just 50 to 60 marks at least to get some NITs and IITs. So if they follow this session based on previous paper analysis, you will get some good marks, a decent score in GATE examination. And also unnecessary preparation of not given topics. Few topics, best example I will tell you, oxidation pond in environmental engineering, trickling filter in environmental engineering, least weightage or less important, not given or given only one time in 25 GATE papers. So such kind of topics, I think those average student targeting 50 marks, 45 marks, 60 marks No need to spend and waste their time. So for those students, for effective preparation of GATE, spending more and more time on most important topics, spending less and less time in less important topics. That is perfect smart strategy for GATE preparation. In simple, based on previous papers, what are most important topics I am discussing? Each subject, total GATE civil engineering syllabus. So before going to start it, every student who is appearing GATE, he know about it clearly. GATE examination is for 100 marks, 65 questions. Every student will know it now. 65 questions and 100 marks. And this 100 marks given in the GATE divided into three phases. One is general aptitude for 15 marks. Second one is mathematics for 13 marks. Third one is technical subjects, core civil engineering subjects for 72 marks. 15 marks general aptitude, 13 marks engineering mathematics, 72 marks core civil engineering subjects. When you take this general aptitude, 10 questions, 5 questions of 2 marks and 5 questions of 1 mark, total 15 marks. Now, I have divided this session into subjects which need more attention, small subjects with more weightage, big subjects with less weightage, subjects which need least attention. 4 phases. Like previously also in my most of the sessions I told about it. Most important subjects, subjects which need more time to spend, high attention required, most important subjects. Second priority I have given to small subjects, high weightage. Easily you get more marks, but subject is completed in short time. Subject is completed in short time, but you will get more marks. Big subjects, weightage is moderate or less weightage. Finally, least preferred subjects, least preferable subjects. I have categorized here into 4 groups. Subjects which should be given more attention, more priority, spend more time. Subjects which are spending less time, you gain more marks. Big subjects, you are getting less marks. Least preferable subjects. 4 phases I have divided. First phase, subjects which need more attention. So obviously it is engineering mathematics. 13 marks, it is not a small weightage here. Obviously the importance for engineering mathematics, because the weightage is 13 marks. Now from this 13 marks, huge portion, around 40 to 50% weightage, it is going for calculus. I am talking about the civil engineering paper I am talking about. So if you observe previous papers of civil engineering, around 40% of engineering mathematics questions are from calculus. Minimum 40% of engineering mathematics questions are calculus. In that total calculus syllabus, what are first you need to finish? I have framed here: limit, continuity and differentiability, maxima and minima Taylor series, definite integrals, application of definite integral to obtain area, and now we expect and also to expect volume determination, gradient and divergence, curl, line integrals. Whatever given here with red color, maxima and minima, Taylor series, curl, line integrals, most important. Don't leave these topics. You may focus more on these topics, surely you will get more marks. by reading maxima, minima, Taylor series, curl and line integrals, you will get at least 4 marks. For the remaining 2 marks, remaining syllabus, the remaining topics you are going to focus. I am saying this is not full syllabus of calculus. These are the important topics in calculus. In that also I placed the most important. Maxima and minima, Taylor series, estimation of volume by application of definite integral, divergence and curl, line integrals. These are most important. So around 40% of weightage of engineering mathematics is calculus. The first priority for any civil engineering student to focus in mathematics, first priority for any civil engineering student, you can focus on calculus. Followed by, I will tell you, I will give second priority to probability statistics. Why second priority to probability statistics? Small subject, will get minimum 2 marks, minimum at least 2 marks you will get. And also it will helpful for solving aptitude, general aptitude, logical reasoning questions also. That will be helpful. So probability statistics, focus more on random variables, binomial and Poisson distribution, conditional probability. So I am saying again, probability statistics will have few model of questions in general aptitude, logical and reasoning part. And so you have to give second preference. According to engineering mathematics, 1 question of 2 marks mandatory. Sometimes 3 marks also, 1 mark question, 1 2 marks question. In random variables, binomial and Poisson distribution very important, conditional probability. Followed by your third priority in mathematics. Third priority in mathematics, differential equation. Differential equation. Higher order linear differential equations. Constant variables, YC and YP determination. YC and YP determination. Higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient YC, YP value determination. You focus more. Euler-Cauchy equation. One-dimensional wave equation. Laplace equation or Laplace transformation. But more priority given to YC, YP. More priority given to YC, YP. And then Euler-Cauchy equations. After that, you focus on remaining topics. After that, you focus on remaining topics. Linear algebra. 1 mark question, 1 2 marks question we are expecting. Systems of linear equation, very important. Systems of linear equation, focus more on systems of linear equation. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Followed by numerical, very small topic, numerical methods, very small topic. Surely you will get 1 to 2 marks. Newton's Lagrange polynomials, integration by trapezoidal and Simpson's rule, Euler's method. So this is your fourth priority. Linear algebra is fourth priority. Numerical methods is your fifth priority. So in this order you need to finish. Still you have time, you try to complete 100% syllabus of mathematics. Again I am repeating. Your first and foremost priority calculus, followed by probability statistics, then differential equation, linear algebra and NM, numerical methods. Still you find more time to spend for engineering mathematics. Finish 100% of syllabus, no worries, because engineering mathematics is foundation and basic, which help for the other subjects also, and also suddenly they will give some questions from it. So try to complete a full syllabus of engineering mathematics. Weightage is very high because it is 13 marks. Okay. Then geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering, we are expecting 14 to 15 marks, but minimum you will get 12 marks at least, minimum. We are expecting 14 to 15, but at least minimum you will get 12 marks from geotechnical engineering. No doubt about it. For GATE. Most preferable core civil engineering subject, without which you are not allowed to write GATE paper. Because that much weightage it is there. You may write GATE paper without knowing geotechnical engineering, but you leave 12 marks. Is it okay? Leaving 12 marks important subject. So, very preferable, most important subject. And topic wise I have given here, permeability. They will provide 2 or 3 soil samples data and ask to determine value of permeability, value of H, value of phi. Soil sample 1, soil sample 2, soil sample 3. Sample 1, sample 2 permeability given, sample 3 permeability you have to determine. Sample A, sample B. Sample A permeability provided, sample B permeability you need to determine. So, like that comparative studies regarding permeability H and Y. Permeability and H and Y. Flow net diagrams, seepage analysis, flow net diagrams, seepage loss, factor of safety. Very important, very important. So this chart of geotechnical engineering will give you compulsory 8 to 10 marks. This slide related to geotechnical engineering. Permeability, seepage analysis, shear strength, earth pressures, stress distribution, consolidation. By preparing 6 topics, damn sure you will get 8 marks. 8 to 10 marks. Most important topics in geotechnical. Don't leave even a single topic. Don't leave even a single topic. All the topics are important. Permeability, seepage analysis, shear strength, earth pressure, stress distribution, consolidation. And also for remaining, this is most preferable. Na? Preferable topics in geotechnical, same. Preferable, don't leave the first slide. First slide of geotechnical engineering, don't leave, very, very important. Along with that, for remaining marks, second slide you will get 3 to 4 marks. Pile foundation, properties of soil, void ratio, degree of saturation, volume of air. I have given individual subtopics also there, where GATE exam is focusing. I am writing individual subtopics also. Void ratio, degree of saturation, volume of air, compaction, effective stress, index properties. From these 6 topics you will get 2 marks from permeability, 2 marks from seepage analysis, 2 marks from stress distribution, 2 marks from consolidation, 1 mark from shear strength, 1 mark from earth pressure. Total 10 marks overall. Approximately 8 to 10 marks you will get surely. From this, 3 to 4 marks. Pile foundation, property of soil, soil exploration, compaction, effective stress, index properties. So I want to make you the perfect preparation for GATE. So each and every topic related to soil mechanics, what is their priority I have given here. Most preferable, remaining, you just go through outlines. I am saying don't leave anything in geotechnical engineering, soil mechanics. Very important, don't leave anything in soil mechanics. But your focus must be more on this slide 1. Then you also focus more on slide 2. Remaining topics, at least you go through once. At least you learn important formula and outlines related to remaining topics. Because 14 to 15 marks is not a task. It's not easy. Na? It is not easy. 14 to 15 marks is not easy. Na? Very important. Na? So, according to my analysis in the previous GATE papers, order of priority I have given. So, you try to complete the full subject of geotechnical engineering. If not possible, at least this slide 1 and slide 2 you focus. Wow. Environmental engineering. 10 marks minimum. We may expect 11 marks, 12 marks also. 10 marks at least it will come. 10 marks at least it will come. And now, coming from environmental engineering, air pollution, most preferable. When you observe recent GATE papers, 2011 to 2020, even 2015 to 20, 3 to 4 marks you are getting from air pollution. 3 marks we are getting. So, at least minimum you will get 2 marks. Every time one numerical question mandatory we are expecting from air pollution. And regularly, theoretical questions or numerical questions coming from quality of water. So quality of water is very vast. We are teaching 20 to 25 hours quality of water. What you can focus? So from quality of water you can focus on hardness, alkalinity, pH, solids. You know numerical questions. No? Estimation of total hardness. You can write down here. No? Estimation of, very important, estimation of total hardness, total alkalinity, carbonate hardness, non-carbonate hardness. These are very, very important related to quality of water. Okay. Now, coming for BOD. BOD at one temperature and 1 day provided. You have to estimate BOD at other temperature and other day. For example, BOD for 7 days, 25 degrees Celsius given. You need to convert BOD for 5 days at 20 degrees. Or they will give you initial DO and the final DO. You need to estimate 5-day BOD, ultimate BOD, BOD remaining, BOD consumed, like that. Most important, these 3 topics we focus more, very, very important. Air pollution, quality of water, BOD. You understand very, very more. And as this time GATE is conducted by IIT Bombay. When you analyze previous IIT Bombay papers, match the following questions they are giving. So theoretical questions match the following. You understand the depth of subject they are focusing here. Theoretical conceptual knowledge of environmental engineering. You must have conceptual knowledge related to environmental engineering. Then solid waste management. Focus more because noise pollution removed from the syllabus. So we expect they are going to give solid waste management more weightage now. Followed by sedimentation, followed by filtration. In solid waste management, they will give the questions like methane generation. Amount of methane generated by solid waste degradation. Amount of air required for degradation. Such kind of question. Design of landfill. We may have design of landfill. We also may have dimensions of landfill question. Carbon nitrogen ratio. These are focused. Here from solid waste management, methane calculation, air required for degradation, carbon nitrogen ratio, landfill design. These are to be focused from solid waste management. In sedimentation, what we focus on sedimentation? What we focus on sedimentation, tell me? Diameter of particle to be settled. Very important. Diameter of particle to be settled for particular efficiency. Diameter of particle settled for particular efficiency. Filters. Number of filters, focus on determination of number of filters. Rate of filtration. Filter hydraulics. Focus more on this. Number of filters determination, rate of filtration, filter hydraulics, you must focus more. Okay. Activated sludge process. Theory. Mean cell residence time, theta C calculation. Food to biomass ratio. Very important from activated sludge process. So by this slide, very important topics, most preferable topics from environmental engineering. Air pollution, quality of water, BOD, solid waste management, sedimentation, filtration, activated sludge. Preferable, chlorination. So chlorination will have the question estimation of bleaching powder, contact period determination, HOCl concentration determination questions, sludge digester, design of sludge digester, effluent disposal, and coagulation, alum quantity, lime quantity measurement, and velocity gradient also. G, velocity gradient G, or power required for coagulation unit, power required for mixing operation, diameter of sieve, design of sieve, diameter of sieve needed. All these parameters are important. Chlorination, bleaching powder estimation, design of sludge digester, effluent BOD calculation, disposal of effluent BOD calculation, velocity gradient determination in coagulation, power input required for coagulation unit, sieve diameter design for design of sieves. Bluntly I am going to say, no need mostly these topics what we have written. Septic tank design, oxidation pond, trickling filter, water demand, softening, DWF, WWF. If you want 0 to 1 mark, for 1 mark you are preparing this many topics. Just for 1 mark you are preparing this many topics. Remaining all marks are related to this most preferable and preferable. So instead of spending that much time on these topics, just leave those topics, no issue. No issue, just leave those topics. Focus more on most preferable and preferable topics. Okay. Now coming for transportation engineering, 8 marks. 8 marks is given from transportation. 8 marks is weightage for transportation engineering. Very important in transportation engineering. SSD, stopping sight distance, SSD. In geometric design, stopping sight distance question must, it will come every paper, very important for you. And horizontal curves, along with that you need to focus on super elevation. In vertical curves you need to focus on summit and valley. Then traffic engineering, signal design and delays at signals. Traffic engineering, signal design, delays at signals, and most important green shield model. First 4, geometric design, horizontal curves, vertical curves, traffic engineering, and green shield model. If you focus on this, mostly you will get 6 marks. For the remaining 2 marks you focus pavement design, airport engineering and railways. Clear? Geometric design, horizontal curve, vertical curve, traffic engineering, problems on Q is equal to KV relation, green shield model. 6 marks damn sure you will get. This is as per previous year paper I am saying. And remaining 2 marks, pavement design. You observe pavement design, you feel you become a good engineer. Airport engineering, railway engineering, tunnel, harbour, that the words are attracting more, but weightage in the GATE is less. You understand? The words will attract you more. Don't spend more time, because this is a vast syllabus. So don't spend more time just for 2 marks. So your total focus in transportation engineering, you focus more on highway engineering, not on other topics. You spend less time in pavement design, airport, railway, tunnel, harbor. Less time you spend, but more time you spend on highway engineering. So these are mostly not important. Again, 0 to 1 mark preference. 0 to 1 mark preference, mostly not important. Cross-sectional elements, materials, grade compensation. Most of the weightage on these topics only. Less or least weightage on mostly not important these topics. Okay. Then strength of materials. You will have minimum 6 marks, sometimes 7 marks also. Sometimes highest it may give 8 marks, but at least minimum 6 marks it will come. As most of the topics, most of the questions in strength of materials focus more on principal stresses and strains, SFD and BMD, shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. These are mandatory. You will get 3 to 4 marks by reading the 2 topics, followed by torsion of circular shafts, deflection of beams, more focus on standard results, Euler's critical load concept, and especially for civil engineers require columns. Don't leave columns. So by observing this slide, completing the topics in this slide, surely you will get 5 marks. Means remaining topics in each and every subject, like that only I am saying. If 10 marks, 8 marks mandatory topics, 0 to 2 marks other topics. 7 marks mandatory topics are giving 5 marks, remaining 0 to 2 marks. So like that, in this slide you will get minimum 5 marks mandatory, sure. Strains and stresses and strains, SFD and BMD, torsion of circular shafts, deflection of beams, Euler's critical load concept, and columns. Minimum at least you will get 6 marks from this slide. Remaining all topics you will get 1 to 2 marks. Mandatory for sure 5 marks from this slide. Okay, that is not by me, according to previous question paper analysis. Okay. RCC. First important thing I am saying regarding RCC, not about weightage, your understanding regarding IS 456 code. How much you learn about IS 456 code, that much you know you solve the questions of RCC. Here I have written clearly, code is important. Then weightage. Again 6 marks you are having in RCC. 6 marks. Most important, first you thorough with the basics. How much you thorough with the RCC basics, that much easily you solve theoretical and numerical questions in it. The complicated problems also will become easy for you if you understand your basics of RCC very well. Then focus on T-beams and columns. Again in columns I have given SOM, here also I have given columns. So T-beams, columns, followed by shear problems, spacing of stirrups, extreme stresses and losses in PSC. Pre-stressed concrete, so many topics are there, but focus more on extreme stresses and losses. Clear? Most important topics are giving you 5 marks. This slide will give you 5 marks. Damn sure. Same for every subject I am going to say like that. whatever I have given from the beginning. Geotechnical engineering, this slide will give you 8 to 10 marks. Preferable 3 to 4 marks. Remaining 0 to 1. Same environmental engineering, 9 marks, 8 marks, 9 marks from this slide. 2 marks from the preferable, 0 to 1 marks not required mostly. Not required mostly topics. Transportation, this slide will give you, total slide will give you 7 marks. Remaining all 1 mark. This is mostly not required. Strength of materials, surely this slide will give you 5 marks, 6 marks. Remaining 1 to 2 marks only. Same with respect to RCC, 5 marks mandatory from this slide.
Hey, I will challenge you in PUBG. Will you come online to play?
No, I have online GATE class. I don't want to miss it.
Who is teaching?
Top faculty of civil engineering in India, KP sir on Unacademy. I am a big fan of his teachings.
Oh yes, I have also heard about KP sir. I am willing to join the class.
It's nice. Take subscription in Unacademy using KP Civil code. You will be benefited more. Okay, let's crack it.
Then these are all big subjects, sir. You have to focus more there. Spend more time also. Your time division, for example, your time you are having 100% your time. So you are having your time of 100%. Now you spend this 100% time 50% on math, Aptitude, Geotech, Environmental, Transportation, RCC, Steel. Whatever you want to spend 50% of time you spend on it. 25% of your time, very important I am saying, spend on previous year question solving, practice question solving, online test series, online exams, and revision. 10% of your time, small subjects. 10% of your time, small subjects here, what we can take? 10% of time for small subjects, what you can take? OCF, Hydrology, Irrigation, Surveying, CPM and PERT, CMM. 10% of time, big subjects with less weightage like fluid mechanics, structural analysis, steel. Remaining 5%, just important topics in other subjects. Important topics on other subjects. If you divide your time like this, 50% on those subjects, 25% for previous year question, practice, online exam and revision, 10% on small subjects, 10% on big subjects, 5% on important topics. That is effective and best way for GATE preparation. Now coming for small subjects, hydrology. 4 to 5 marks, 4 marks mandatory you are getting, minimum 4 marks you are getting, sometimes 6 marks also they are giving. These 4 are must learn topics. Hydrology is a very small subject. You spend just 4 days, you will get 4 marks. Just you spend your time of 4 days, you will get 4 marks. Damn sure. Especially mandatory question, most important questions we are having. Hydrograph Infiltration. Without these 2 topics question, mostly there is no GATE paper. Very important. Hydrograph, what you are studying? Determination of peak discharge, determination of depth of effective rainfall, Determination of catchment area. Mostly your questions are rotating on this. Peak discharge, effective rainfall, catchment area determination. Infiltration. Phi index. Well hydraulics. Discharge or velocity calculation. Flood frequency. Mostly you focus on risk associated with the event. Probability of occurrence of event at least once. Or a return period. It is small and simple. Total you are having 25 to 30 formula in hydrology. By learning this 25 to 30 formula, you will get easily 4 marks. Very small and simple subject. Just by learning 25 to 30 formula, you will get 4 marks. But understanding concept to solve questions of hydrograph and infiltration. Here in infiltration, you can add up Horton's equation also. Horton's equation. But concept-oriented learning is very important for hydrology. Concept-oriented learning that will beat any question related to hydrograph infiltration. You understand the concept well, easily you can solve the question. Other than this, additionally you learn average precipitation determination by Thiessen polygonal method, isohydral method. Missing rainfall data by normal ratio method. Water balance equation. In evaporation, you need to learn water balance equation. So, mostly this is enough. Just spend 4 days, you will get 4 marks, no doubt about it. Easy and simple subject. If you learn theoretical concept, easily you can answer all questions. More number of days, more time not required. Just spend 4 days. I have written formulas required in remaining topics. Thiessen polygonal method, isohydral method, normal ratio method, water balance, energy balance. This is regarding average precipitation. This is about missing rainfall information, normal ratio, missing rainfall information. This is completely related to evaporation, potential evapotranspiration, rational formula. Everyone knows it, na? Rational method, air by 360. Muskingum method of flood routing. Muskingum method. These are additional. Other than the 4 topics, hydrograph, infiltration, well hydraulics, flood frequency analysis, these 4. Additionally, you learn the 7 formula, just 7 equations, enough. Easily you solve hydrology. Open channel flow. According to me, to prepare open channel flow, you spend 2 days. That is enough. Just 2 days you learn it. You WhatsApp your number to me. I will send a consolidated list charts of open channel flow. The charts are enough to solve any question in open channel flow. I made a small charts, 4 pages charts regarding OCF. I made 4 pages charts. You WhatsApp your number. I will send 89859. This is my number. 89859 3112. I made a simple charts preparation for OCF to simplify it. Mostly questions are from that formulas in the charts, which include hydraulic jump, flow profiles M2, M1, M2, M3, S1, S2, S3, flow profiles, mild slope, steeply sloping surface, specific energy, most important concept in open channel flow. And in channel geometry, we are studying all channel geometry, but more focus is on rectangular cross section. You focus more on rectangular cross section. Along with the jump, you also study regarding surges. Okay. Your focus is topic 1 hydraulic jump, topic 2 specific energy, topic 3 flow patterns, topic 4 rectangular cross section. But most of the questions related to this 4 only. I told you already, I prepared a shortcut formula chart for OCF. So in your GATE question solving that are very much helpful. If you require a WhatsApp me, I will send it to you. Then plastic analysis CPM part. So 2 days you are spending for open channel flow, 1 day for plastic analysis, 1 day for CPM part. Means in 4 days, at least in 4 days, you will get 8 to 9 marks, no doubt. Open channel flow, plastic analysis, CPM and part. 4 days you are spending. Take 1 more day, no problem. 5 days, take 5 days, no problem. For sure 8 marks you will get. Sure, guarantee 8 marks you will get. Open channel flow 3 marks, plastic analysis 2 marks, CPM part 2 marks, 7. 7 mandatory will come, no doubt. Simple and easy subjects, easily you learn it. Simple. So in CPM what you are learning? Critical path. What is critical path? Time required to complete project, float and slack, these are mostly focused in CPM. Total cost, again project total time of project, critical time, crashing you have to learn. Easily you get that, easily. In how many days? Just 5 days, 8 marks. 4 days, 4 marks. So these are small subjects. Surveying. So I am giving again 4 days for surveying. 4 days for surveying. Overall, 15 days you are spending. Hydrology, open channel flow, plastic analysis, CPM part, surveying. 5 subjects, 15 days, 5 subjects you are spending. Around 17 to 18 marks you will get within 15 days. See how effectively you are preparing. Short time, 15 days you are getting 15 marks. Take 15 marks. Every day 1 mark you will get na GATE exam. Very easy na. Coming for surveying. Focus more and more on traverse surveying, leveling, photogrammetry. Elementary height determination, then followed by compass survey and traversing. Clear? First focus on traverse surveying, then leveling, then photogrammetry. Along with that you focus on compass survey. Errors, you focus also more on error determination. You will get 4 marks minimum from surveying, sometimes 7 marks also. So within this 15 days, you are getting 5 subjects, 17 to 18 marks. Big subjects with less weightage. Obviously, it is structural analysis. You will have 4 to 5 marks, sometimes 6 marks. Mandatory, don't leave this topic. I am not going to say leave anything, but mandatory you focus on static determinacy. For sure, damn sure, you will get 2 marks. So you may leave entire subject of essay, but you don't leave static determinacy, kinetic determinacy. Static indeterminacy, kinetic indeterminacy, most important. Followed by trusses, followed by influence line diagrams. Okay? Very important. Structural analysis, important topics. If you read these 4 topics, you will get 4 marks. But this is a time consuming. So in your preparation, you put it in the last stages of preparation, you go for it. Then fluid mechanics. Already we have taken out open channel flow. After excluding open channel flow, 5 to 6 marks. Fluid dynamics, kinematics, dimensionless analysis, flow through pipes, laminar flow and turbulent flow, hydrostatics. These 3 you will get 4 marks. recently added concept of lift and drag. IIT Bombay added this topic, specially written this topic. So we are expecting one question from this concept of lift and drag. Flow through pipes, very important. Then the remaining topics you just go through outlines. More and more focus on dynamics, kinematics, dimensionless analysis, flow through pipes. Then concept of lift and drag. After that, laminar flow, turbulent flow, hydrostatics, fluid properties. Because already OCF taken out, 5 to 6 marks I have given. Okay. Prepared last, least preferred subjects. Irrigation according to recent GATE weightage, 1 to 2 marks. According to recent GATE weightage, 1 to 2 marks. Duty delta base period. Field capacity, permanent wilting point. Irrigation efficiency. If they want to prefer, they want to give one question. First preferred question is from these topics only. Duty, delta base period, field capacity, permanent wilting point, irrigation efficiency. Then they focus more on gravity dams, then focus more on spillways. But I would like to reveal one thing. Every time when IIT Bombay has given irrigation, whenever IIT Bombay conducted GATE exam, they are giving 2 to 3 marks, and especially when you consider 2005, high weightage given, 6 to 7 marks given for irrigation. So we can't predict this year what IIT Bombay going to do. So these are small and simple topics only. If you have time, spend time on gravity dams and spillways, because we expect more questions on gravity dams and spillways. Okay. Steel structures. Already you've taken out plastic analysis. Steel code is important. Code is very much important. Don't spend more time. Spend less time only, because after taking out plastic analysis you are having 2 marks. More focus on connections, riveted, bolted, welded connections, tension and compression. Latestly they are giving questions on tension and compression members, and also they are focusing on concentric eccentric connections. Recently, but the weightage does not exceed more than 3-4 marks, because already we taken out plastic analysis now. So code learning, IS code is very important for steel structures. Then focus on remaining. Engineering mechanics. Learning determining free body diagram, FBD, free body diagram. Then recently latest added topic, new in GATE 2021. New in GATE 2021. Free vibrations of undamped SDOF system. Very important. Equilibrium of forces, drawing free body diagram, and then free vibrations on undamped SDOF system. New topic added in 2021. But weightage is less. So spend less time. Spend your less time. So according to me, I would like to conclude one thing here. You spend your time effectively more and more time on subjects. Again and again I am saying, mathematics, aptitude, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering. After this, transportation, RCC, strength of materials. Less time you can focus. Even though subjects sound good, but you need to spend less time. FM, structural analysis, steel, engineering mechanics. Optimum time exactly needed. Don't go very high time. Don't go very less time. Hydrology, OCF, CPM and PERT, CMM, plastic analysis, irrigation, surveying also. optimum time you give, then your preparation will go very good. Okay, then your preparation will go very good. Finally, I would like to conclude. Don't study to earn, study to learn. Learn deep subject, in-depth subject knowledge. What you learn today is what you will become tomorrow. Today, how much effectively you are preparing the in-depth subject knowledge, learning good subject, that only will give you tomorrow future. Subject will not go away from you. You earn money. It may go today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You learn subject. Subject will be with you forever, lifelong with you. That a subject knowledge only give you job, future, career and life. Remember, study to learn, not to earn. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the session. I think this session is very helpful in your GATE preparation. Anything you require, WhatsApp me. My number is with you. I think the Hindi students, North Indian students know very well. Both ranker and a failure student, ordinary student, everyone will have same duration, 24 hours in a day. Everyone will have same duration, 24 hours in a day. How effectively you are utilizing that 24 hours in one day? Successful person, failure person, both will have 24 hours only. Will the successful person have more time in the 24 hours? More time in a day? Successful person also will have same time in 24 hours only. Failure person also, failure student also will have same 24 hours. How effectively you are utilizing your 24 hours? That is very, very, very important in your preparation. So this 24 hour. So for that utilization of 24 hours effectively, what to prepare, what not to prepare will help you something. I think this session is very much helpful for you. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the session. Before going to close the session, a small announcement. Join plus subscription full-length course of GATE and ESE and Unacademy. Trust the best for your GATE and ESE preparation. The faculty in Unacademy are top-most faculty. They will give you the best subject, in-depth subject knowledge, and also they have vast experience in teaching, especially GATE and ESE, exam-specific teaching. And the platform of Unacademy is the largest online edutech company in India. It provides live interactive classes. Whatever your doubt, if you put in the comment box, easily, immediately your doubt is clarified. Have you downloaded Unacademy app? If not, today download the Unacademy app. In the search button, click KP Civil, follow me, watch my previous sessions and upcoming sessions also. Whatever your doubts easily clarified immediately within 1 minute of your message. You understand? Live interactive sessions. If you take a plus subscription in Unacademy, I will provide from my side free study material. I will provide from my side one free online test series. Unacademy is giving you one test series. Myself will provide you another test series. 2 online test series you will get. And also, if you miss the session, don't worry. Your already completed class is recorded. You can watch twice, thrice, how many number of times you require. That many times. Just for example, I will tell you. I am teaching environmental engineering 140 hours. You can understand the depth of subjects I am providing. The depth of environmental engineering 140 hours, you can write any kind of examination from that 140 hours only. It may be GATE, IAS, AE, AW, whatever the exam you can write. That 140 hours sessions is more than enough. a single solution for any kind of examination. So, join Unacademy, excel your GATE and ESE preparation. Use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru. Take plus subscription. Get all the benefits. If you have any doubt, any query related to subject point of view, career point of view, preparation strategy point of view, any doubts related to plus subscription, whom to follow, whom not to follow, what to study, what not to study, don't worry, your KPs are with you till you crack GATE and ESE. WhatsApp me, my mobile number is given there, 8985931112. We together grow up. I am with you, my team of faculty with you, till you crack GATE and ESE. Then, why to wait? Join plus course in Unacademy using KP Civil Code. Let's crack it.